Hey guys, welcome to Pet Caring Zone. If you have a pet dog, then this video is for you. Nuts and dogs. Why is it important to resist nuts for dogs? Nuts are filled up with nutrients, so this is natural for pet possessors to desire to share all that quality kind of stuff with their dogs. But there are some things you should know to make sure that your dogs love them as an intact snack only. Moving forward in the video, we will come to this later. Now, the question is, do you wish to share your specially nutty snacks with your pet? Nuts are an excellent source of nutrients and protein, but they are also popular for severe allergies in humans. Is this the subject to your dogs too? Also, should we ascend nuts with care around our pets? If you're pondering whether nuts for dogs will be good or not, you should take veterinary advice for dogs before buying nuts for dogs, as every dog is special in itself and requires special care. Their diet also changes from dog to dog. Most of the nuts for dogs in the pantries are technologically secure, but some nuts for dogs are dangerous, and any nut for dog that are mildewed are dangerous for your dogs. Although little amount of definite nuts and nut butter is possibly safe for your dog, but here it is significant to be informed of all the dangers and potential toxicities. While they are minimal in size, every nut for dog is high in fat and calories, even when a minimum quantity is offered as a snack, even when a little given is a lona wow. It may be wise to steer clear of nuts for so many dogs and choose a secure treat option that provide very few calories, lesser fat and salt, and lesser concern for dangers. Dogs that are overweight or having chances to gain weight should resist nuts because there are so many lesser calorie human foods available, like popcorn that don't contain salt and butter, and green beans are also great choice. You must be having a lot of questions in your mind. Let us answer them one by one. The first being, why is it advised to resist nuts for dogs? The answer to this is simply because if you're giving little amount of peanut butter to your dog to take medicines, you should not increase their total intake of calories to more than 10%, as more than 10% of calorie can be toxic. The list of diseases include pancreatic swelling and peripancreatic standing. This is true that dogs love nuts. But dogs have very different digestive systems from humans. The gastrointestinal system of your dog cannot digest the high calorie and fat present in these nuts. As a result, the high intake of calorie and fats that are present in nuts for dogs might trouble them. So before buying any nut for your dog, you should take veterinary advice, and if you're giving so many pistachios nuts and hickories to your dog, then it could be the cause of severe disease of pancreatitis. Pancreatitis is a situation that causes an overload of fat in your pet's diet. It results in inflammation of the pancreas. Acute pancreatitis is severe and require veterinary advice for dogs. If you are giving nuts to dogs, treats are molds of fungus. Mainly all nuts for dogs run the possibility of carrying molds of fungus that can be dangerous to your pet if ingested. This is primarily literal for raw nuts, so for safety, only buy roasted or boiled nuts. Molds can additionally be there on old nuts, so try giving your dogs roasted or boiled nuts. So the bag of nuts for dogs concealing in the back of your food pantry is finer flung in the garbage than giving it to your dog. If you cannot resist those dog's eye begging for a part of your bowl of nuts, you can seek cooked, unsalted or roasted variation. These are the best option for your dog. Now let us understand behavior of nuts in humans and dogs. As human beings, we have an intrinsic wish to share things that gives us happiness and joy, mainly food. With a world of understanding reachable at our fingertips, it only makes consciousness to probe what type of human foods are healthy to eat before feeding them to our dogs. Nut covering contains cocoa, pepper and garlic, and they have a very high salt content. These flavorsome coating might result in GI upset in your dog, and the high salt content is also very dangerous to your dog. Some dogs can evolve high blood pressure as an effect of eating excess salt. Few other dogs have chances of evolving urinary stones or have significant kidney or heart diseases. Foods with too much salt can aggravate these conditions. Dogs can get ill and eventually they can harm themselves by eating these foods. Now, let's look at some peanuts and legumes that are believed to be healthy for your pet. The first being nutshells. Humans love nutshell, don't they? But nutshells are never a good choice for your dog. They are not ingestible and cause choking and block hazards. The stiff shell of nutshells can have sharpened edges that might result in your pet's intestinal tract perforation that needs surgery. Looking at the high risk, you might want to avoid nutshells. The second is peanuts. One of the most common nuts used by human beings are peanuts. Most dog owners contemplate peanuts while considering nuts for dogs. Peanuts that are legumes are healthy for your pet. But like every nut, they also carry high fat and high calorie that may pose a problem for your dog's gastrointestinal system. Offering your pet boiled or roasted peanuts may not cause a very severe issue, but presenting it in large quantities might result in extreme cases. The third being peanut butter. Oh, that yummy taste of peanut butter that humans just can't resist. 1 teaspoon of peanut butter is a common way for the dog owner to provide their pet medication. This is good if you offer a small quantity, but never provide it in a large amount, as delivering it in large quantities can result in pancreatitis. You should pay attention to the ingredients present in peanut butter or any nuts for dogs. Be alert of any sugar, especially artificial sweeteners, and salt. Any salt and sugar can result in severe issues and need veterinary advice for your dog. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener available in some peanut butter brands, and it is hazardous for your pet while digesting them. It can make your dog ill very quickly in just 15 to 60 minutes. The fourth being cashews. The white little nuts that people love are also very dangerous for your dog if given in the wrong way. Cashews are healthy for your pet if roasted. Fortunately, they are mainly available in roasted form. Don't feed your dogs raw cashews, as this can result in a toxic reaction. Cashews carry a very high amount of calorie and fat, so feed them in small quantities. Feeding them in large quantities can lead to pancreatitis. The fifth being pistachios. Who doesn't love pistachios? Pistachios are nuts that are very advantageous for humans but not much for your dog. Although pistachios are not dangerous nuts for dogs, it contains mycotoxins and glucose, resulting in liver failure of your dog when digested. It must be offered in small quantity as it has a high amount of calorie and fats. Pistachios can also result in choking. The next being hickory nuts. Hickory nuts must be avoided. Hickory nuts for dogs are not safe as they contain molds or mycotoxins, resulting in seizures and convulsions. Seeing the high risk, you might want to avoid hickory nuts for your dogs. The next is something we all love: almonds. Almonds are considered to be very healthy for humans in so many ways, but when it comes to dogs, feeding them in large quantities can result in pancreatitis or stomachache. So it is pretty clear that not everything that is good for human beings is good for your pet. Now, when we have reached towards the end of this video, let's quickly summarize what we have learned in this video. It is significant to recognize which nuts for dogs should be given as casual treats and carry risk. Many nuts for dogs are safe if taken in minimal amounts. Some are indeed not, and some should be kept away from your pet at any cost. You can also treat your dogs with vegetables that carry high nutritional values, or you can also order a freshly cooked meal from your pet from the online website of Oli Dogs. There are thousands of things you can do. Now, coming to the end, if you liked our content, do subscribe to the channel for wholesome videos ahead. Thanks for watching.